Hello, good morning, students. Today we continue our lesson matter in our surrounding. In last lecture, we study about the states of a matter: solid, liquid, gas, Bose-Einstein, and plasma state. Today we study about the interconversion of states of matter. States of matter can be interconvertible. Solid change to liquid, liquid change to gas. Solid change to liquids. There is an intramolecular force of attraction present between the molecules of a solids. This intramolecular force of attraction binds the atoms of the solids together. सॉलिड्स के अंदर इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होती है जो इन मॉलिक्यूल्स को आपस में बांध के रखती हैं. दिस इज नोन एज द इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. व्हाइल वी हीट ए सॉलिड, दिस इज नोन एज ए फ्यूजन. व्हेन ए सॉलिड चेंज टू लिक्विड at a particular temperature at atmospheric pressure is called fusion or melting. Point. Melting point is the temperature at which a solid changes to liquid at a particular temperature at atmospheric pressure. This is known as a fusion. When a liquid changes to a gas, this is known as a vaporization, or you can say boiling point. What is boiling point? Boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid changes to gaseous state at atmospheric pressure. That is known as a boiling point. Just like boiling point of water is 100 degree. And this process is known as the vaporization. What happened when a solid changes to the liquid at the molecular level? When you supplying the heat to a solid, it's immediately not changed to the liquid. It takes some time, and when we measure the temperature of this solid, the temperature remain constant and it start to change into the liquid. Where question is arise, where the heat is going now? It is going now. आप जो हीट सप्लाई कर रहे हैं वो हीट जा कहाँ रही है? That is known as the latent heat. Heat of fusion. That is known as the latent heat of fusion. इस heat को हम latent heat of fusion कहेंगे. Latent means hidden, छुपा हुआ, hidden. What is the latent heat of fusion? The amount of heat required, the amount of heat required to change 1 kilogram of solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure is called latent heat of vaporization. It's a very important topic. Latent heat of fusion. Latent means छुपा हुआ. जब कोई आप किसी सब्सटेंस को हीट करते हैं तो अचानक से वो मेल्ट नहीं होता. और जैसे मान लो हम एग्जांपल के लिए आइस ले लेते हैं, और आइस को जब हम मेल्ट करते हैं तो अगर उसका बार बार टेम्परेचर मेजर करें तो आइस लिक्विड में चेंज होनी स्टार्ट हो जाती है, लेकिन उसका टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट रहता है 0 डिग्री. तो क्वेश्चन ये अराइज होता है कि वो हीट कहाँ जा रही है. एक्चुअली वो हीट मॉलिक्यूल्स को सेपरेट करने में यूज हो रही होती है। सॉलिड के मॉलिक्यूल काफी नजदीक नजदीक होते हैं और उनको दूर करने के लिए, आपस में उनकी इंट्रामोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को खत्म करने के लिए, उनकी फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को हटाने के लिए जो यूज हो रही होती है उसको हम लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपराइजेशन कहते हैं। अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रिक्वायर्ड टू चेंज 1 किलोग्राम इनटू of solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure is known as latent heat of fusion. After this, we will study about what happen when liquid change to the gas. When you start to boil a liquid and it start to change into gas, but temperature remain constant. This is known as the latent heat of vaporization. It is same as that of latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of vaporization means amount of heat required to change 1 kilogram of liquid into gaseous state at atmospheric pressure is called latent heat of vaporizations. Now, with the help of a picture, I want to show some changes. Just like this is a solid change to liquid. When you heat, liquid change to gas. Sometime a solid directly change into the gas and gas change to the solid. What the process is known? When a solid change to liquid, that is known as a fusion. Okay. When a liquid change to gas, that is known as the vaporization. When you convert the gas back into liquid, change of gas into liquid is known as condensation, and liquid change to solid is known as solidification. And a very important process, when a solid is directly changed to a gas, this is known as sublimation. In the forward direction, when the solid change into a gas is known as sublimation. The reverse of gas change to a solid is also known as sublimation. The reverse and forward process known is the same. So sublimation. So understand it carefully. When a solid change to liquid is known as fusion, liquid change to gas is known as a vaporization, and a solid change to a gas is known as a sublimation. The reverse of a gas change into a solid is known as the sublimation. This is the enough for today. You learn it and understand the change of a state of a matter, solid to liquid, liquid into gas, and make the proper note in your notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.